Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Saira's Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. I'm here with another sewing project. This project is very exciting. As you can see, I have a very beautiful lace scarf in my hand, and I'm doing this special project for my very dear and special friend who is over 18 and she's remarrying with her first love. So this project is very exciting for me. This is very quicker. We are converting this beautiful wedding scarf into a shrug. She have a sleeveless dress, so she want her shoulders get covered, but we're gonna create in that way so even after wedding she can use that shrug as a casual with the sleeveless. So that will be upside and downside with the sleeves and sleeveless. So let's go ahead and start it, our very exciting project. As you can see, I have my mannequin here, and simply I'm gonna lay my scarf on the shoulder area. You probably see the old people mostly just put scarf on her shoulder because her shoulders are small, so we don't want to do that. So we don't want she have a struggle, while she's walking. I don't want this label, the dark label, be on up, so I'm gonna flip other side. Okay, so the label stay on the back. All right, and then find the center. Here. Okay, and I should show you back too. So on the back we have a pretty lacy back as well. All right, so you see that this flower is on a center. If you don't know your center, just make sure, just fold the both panels, and now you can see that's your center. So from center we're just gonna leave 3 leaves, and I should mark this so you guys can have idea. Just gonna pin here. Should take a colorful pin. 1 pin on this flower and other one on this one. As you can see, we have couple little spot here. If I show you from back panel to side way, and as you can see, we already have these 2 panels on the side. The lace panels, they are supposed to be on the side because they're gonna cover our shoulder. But if you see on a side way, so we have these 2 corners. So the first lace corner, the front one, we're gonna leave for front like a straight lace, but the back corner we are taking and simply we are tucking under the flower which we had pinned up. Is that just this simple? And we are pinning up them together. And if you see, we have created an armhole on this way. Like if I put my arm here on the shoulder, all right, so she can just take her arm inside, and that's her armhole. We're gonna create the other armhole on same way. Like you can do sewing machine stitch on that, on top of that. Even you can do hand stitch with a needle, just use the same thread and that will be secure. We are making another armhole on the other side simply. this way. Okay, I'm just roughly doing with the hand stitch so you guys can see quickly. Alright, doing the same thing on other side. The good thing is with doing with the hand needle, if you anytime want to take off the old seams and just use as a scarf, it's still new, you know. So okay, so that was the shrug style for wedding. You know, your arms are still covered with the beautiful lacy, you know, scarf, and it's not gonna fall down on from your shoulder. And the second look we have with this scarf, just we are flipping the back to top. All right, so from back to top, I should show you how it's work. Simply just put on a shoulder. As you can see, so this one is our second look of that scarf we had just flipped upside down. And if I show you on a side way, this is very pretty. The lacy area right came on top of your shoulder side. If you see on a back, you have like, you know, like very like gathering fabric, you know, which is good. Like it doesn't matter how slim or how big you are, it's gonna still give you enough fabric. And even on other armhole side too, you can see that we have armholes adjustable, you know, with any size. And that's our front. So today you have learned 2 looks just with a very simple project. Alright, as you can see, just with the simple technique, so we have created a beautiful 2 style of wedding shrugs today. This project was a very fun, and as you already seen, it was a very quick. I'm sure you like this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel Saira's Creations. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for further updates. I really appreciate all the feedbacks and suggestions for my YouTube channel so I can improve myself. God bless you all and have a fabulous day. Bye bye.